It's pretty cold, winter fishing. Let's give it a go, see how we go. I got a nice flathead on. Took a little time to get this guy in. Beautiful looking. Would you believe it that my GoPro has got absolutely no battery in it? And I go to get the other GoPro going when I get the bite, and that's got no battery in it either. Beautiful fish. Gonna have to get this guy in before he flicks me out. Oh guys, finally got the GoPro working. There's a nice flatty. Don't know how big he'd be, but he's well legal. Let's get him out. So it's taken a little while. That tide has now slowed down and I've come down the river a little bit further. So there's a beautiful flathead. Just show you. And he took that little Holt prawn. Beautiful, well legal, but unfortunately I'm not after a feed today. I'm actually going out reef fishing tomorrow, so we're going to put this guy back. Holt prawn out of him. That's the guy that worked. I'm not sure which one that is. I'll have to look it up later. We're going to put this guy back. He'd go probably around about, say, 50 centimeters, I'd say. So we'll whack him back in the water. There we go. Beautiful looking fish. Let's get him back in. There you go, buddy. Slip him straight back in. He was just chasing that back to the boat, or to the kayak, I should say. He's only a baby. But yeah, just hiding behind this sandbank. There we go. He's only a baby. God, I just love catching these things in shallow water on light gear. It's good fun. But all I do with these guys is a real slow lift. So just a real slow lift. And then as they drop back down, all the legs sort of sit there in the current, and flathead just can't resist it. Or brim. I've caught brim on them. I've caught all sorts on these things. Quite an easy technique, really. Different when you're fishing for like your queenfish and trevally. You work them a lot quicker, or even dewies. You work them a little bit faster off the bottom. But when you're fishing just in this slow current here, just really slowly. What I'm using is a 2-piece rod, Shimano Mikuro. I've had this for ages. And my Naskai, this is a 2000 Naskai. Probably my favourite is my 1000 Naskai. As you can see, it's got quite a few bumps on it, but she's still very smooth. You look after it. I just put a little bit of that salt away on there. You know, when I'm spraying the boat down, seems to work. And then just give it a little spray with some reel grease, and probably had it for about 2 or 3 years. It's still nice and smooth, and I've not even had the bearings done on it. And let me tell you, it gets wet. So as I say, just a little lift up. We're only in shallow water, we don't have to lift it up too high. Every now and again, just give it a little twitch, just to sort of catch their attention. All right, we're on a good fish here. Feels like he's got a little bit of weight. Drag down a bit. Oh yeah, nice flathead. Turn it around so you can see it. There you go. That's a nice flatty. There you go. Beautiful fish. Absolute cracker. Glad I got him in. Might have to measure that guy. I'd say he'd be around about, he'd be close to 60. That's that. Close to 60. Having said that, not so sure. Close to 60. He'd be about 58. Maybe less. See that at all. So there we go, guys. They're the rewards of just fishing that last hour of the run out tide. And a beautiful flathead. Mind taking a photograph for me, dear? Cool, I just got a nice flatty. I just wanted to see if I can get a photograph of it. Thanks, mate, you're a legend. Took on a bit of water, did you? You had a bit of water in the boat. Thanks, mate. You're a legend.
How big did he go? 60?
Just under 60, I think. Yeah. You don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Thanks, mate. You're a legend.
No
Appreciate it.
worries,
What's your
mate.
name?
Sam.
Thanks, Sam.
Name?
Paul.
Paul, nice to meet you.
Yeah. I just do a YouTube channel called the Hook and The Ccok.
Hook and The Ccok?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Check it out.
I'm the chef.
Yeah, alright.
But I love me fishing more than I do cooking, mate, to be honest with you.
You gonna eat that one?
No, I'll put him back.
Yeah.
You want him?
Nah, it's
No,
alright.
I like to put him back, you know?
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna just have to flick myself.
Yeah, okay.
Just got back from out wide, out of Caloundra.
How'd you go? Did you get a few?
Oh, it was so rough, eh?
Really?
Yeah, it was so rough. Much really, couple of mackerel, like spotty mackerel.
Spotties, yeah.
And,
Any size on the spotties?
nah, just small.
Because there's been a lot of school mackerel around.
Yeah.
I went out on the boat. When did I go out? There he goes. Yeah, I went out on the on my boat last week, and we got a good feed of sweet lip,
Yeah.
tuskies. Got one snapper, just a panny, but pan size. My mate got an absolute ripper the other day, about 68,
Yeah, that's a good one.
out at North Reef.
Oh, that current's ripping, eh?
Oh, it was worse earlier. It was absolutely flying. Thanks very much for doing that. I appreciate it, mate.
Good luck.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. All right, well, I'll land this fish. He's still on. Guys, look at that. I'm just talking to my mate on the phone. He's asking me how I'm going. And I stopped. Where's the net gone? There we go. Look at that. Wasn't even doing anything. Wow. There you go, mate. Got on again. I was just about to do an outro, and I'm on again. This little spot here, firing. Absolutely firing. There we go. There's another flatty. Tell me it's not the same one. Oh, it's on fire today. My son's birthday today too. I'm meant to be back at home. Looks like he's gonna have to wait. That looks like almost like the same one we just got. Same model. That's 6 flooded for the day. It's pretty good. Happy with that. Yeah, looking character. He's been in here for a while. And yeah, beautiful. He'd be, again, I'd say he'd be a legal fish, so we'll get him back in the water. Wants to go, that's for sure. So I could have had a good feed of flathead, really. So I would have. Whoa. Okay. There you go. Could have had a good feed of flathead. Let's get him back in the water. There he is. We'll see you later, buddy. All right, go. Wow, I might just stay here for a minute and give it a few more flicks. Can't believe that. 2 in a minute. Oh, there's another. That's pretty good. Well, it's turned into a great floody session. We're getting the dogs, that's for sure. Good session. Pretty happy. Just shows you they're hungry, the old flathead at the moment. And they're loving this prawn. Got myself a Flatty Hole here, I think. It's 2 in 1 minute. Oh, check that out. That guy just come down there and got himself a beautiful brim. Straight off the water. How cool was that? Sorry, I'm just about to do an outro for you guys. And this guy's just done an absolute cracking brim he got too. Sorry about that. Just fantastic being out in nature, innit? Well guys, I had a great time today and really enjoyed catching all those flathead. I've only been out for about 3 hours. Got to get back to my son's birthday, so better get in as fast as we can. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the clip, and we'll see you on the water soon. See ya. But what a glorious day. Winter fishing here in Noosa. Adrian's got his first fish of the morning. Happy with that one. Thought I was going to have a donut, mate. I thought it was a pack of bananas.